Front hand reach out. Elbow. Make sure those hips are turned, knees are bent. Okay? Reach forward. Elbow. Lean forward. Right? Elbow. And then same thing on the other side. Elbow. 45-degree angle down. 45-degree angle down. The one that's in the front now goes behind on a 45-degree angle. Same thing on the other side. 45-degree angle. Now the one that's behind you comes up the middle. Comb your hair and elbow strike. So this is a block, it's a strike at the same time. Turn the hip, same on the other side. Now we got two hands. Your hand should be up by your face protecting. Right? Now the one that's behind your head is going to come back. Strike to the groin. So we need to be turning our hips so we're looking behind and elbow straight up. Okay? Hand comes back, protect yourself. Do the other side. Straight back to the groin. Elbow straight up. Now the elbow that's behind you, reach up. Turn your hip, elbow down. Other side, turn your hip, elbow down. Same one. Up, elbow behind your hip, and then 16, elbow, other side. Okay?